Hello, welcome to the EagleSix test video. We're going to be testing this TM AA12, and this has had some repairs done on it. So it's came in for service and a feeding issue. So so obviously we stripped it down, done an investigation, obviously cleaned up the gearbox, and also customer requested or I suggested, because they're popular installing these now, is the Warhead motors with the obviously with how torquey the motors are and the low amp usage, obviously increases battery life. So all these are benefits in a gun that runs such a massive spring inside of these. In fact, I don't know any gun that's got a spring as large as these. It's basically PSG1 size that's in here in terms of spring. So obviously we do a full range of custom springs for these. Yeah, so this is so the knot feeding was a broken spring on the tappet plate, so that was creating obviously the feeding issue. So we've replaced the tappet plate spring, so what I call the second tappet plate spring, because there's the normal one which is just obviously for the tappet plate, and there's also a separate loading one at the back. It's the loading one at the back that break. So that one's been replaced, and we do a spring for that specifically. So that's replaced with a spring that we've made, and obviously we've got the Warhead brushless motor in here as well, if you know what I mean, for obviously the reduced amp usage. So hopefully you'll get a bit more battery life out of it, maybe noticeable trigger response increase, and obviously yeah, and obviously it's working, so that's a benefit as well. So improved feeding, i.e. that it feeds, that's always a bonus, isn't it? So but yeah, we're ready now just to test and just clearly demonstrate it working. There you go. So yeah, obviously it's all back together, all tightened up. Any problems, let us know, but hopefully this should last you a good while. And yeah, and then obviously if you need us again for servicing, just yeah, give us a shout. Thank you.